have a break. Ooh, Chad has a break. Ah, break time. Time for me to surf the internet. Oh, this blog on collectible Thomas Kincaid plates is fantastic. What's this? BlogWorld Expo in Las Vegas. I love blogs. I will email BlogWorld and inform them that I should be a guest. Come on, internet, work. Work, damn you. It's broken. There's certainly a lot of internet experts going to BlogWorld. Let's see. Guy Kawasaki seems pretty smart. He will fix my broken internet or suffer the wrath. Hello, Guy. Chad Vader here. I broke the internet.
I don't understand what's going on here. What's happening here?
I'm contacting you on my holo glove. Let's stay focused. On your bio, it says you have some kind of golden touch. So I want you to come over here and touch it. The internet, that is. Come over here, touch my internet, and fix it with gold.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
Why?
I don't understand.
Why not?
Listen, whatever you're doing, just stop it, man. I help people do business on the internet. I don't provide tech support.
Jeez, fine. Alright, who else is on here? I'll try this guy. Chris Brogan. My internet is busted.
Whoa.
I see that you use social media to fix things, so you can fix my internet using social media.
Yeah. I'd be happy to leave a comment on your blog or maybe tweet something out for you or something.
Nope. Get over here and start the repairs.
You should call that company.
Not what I wanted to hear, Mr. Brogan. Ah, perhaps this problem requires a woman's touch.
Can I help you?
It is I, Chad Vader. It says here that you have a show called Geek Brief. I don't even know what a Geek Brief is. Gosh, you're cute.
Okay, well, what's going on here?
My internet is broken. Send the geeks over to fix it.
All right, is your computer connected to the internet?
Oh, I have a wireless router.
Well, is your router turned on?
Yes, of course it... no, it's not. I must have bumped it.
That's probably a good place to start.
Listen, I don't know if you're seeing anyone...
I am.
Or dating anyone.
I am.
Date me. With our combined strength, we could have a really awesome date.
You know what? I have to go, but could you please turn off whatever device it is you're using to contact me and never
do it again. I know. Maybe someday I'll be famous. Oh well, time to send that intimidating email to BlogWorld. And then break time is over. Back to peach stacking.